What happens to your body if you eat flax seeds every day? Hi viewers! Flax seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. These tiny seeds, also known as linseeds, are nature's superfood, brimming with nutrients that could transform your well-being. Imagine a natural multivitamin that boosts your heart health, keeps your skin glowing, and strengthens your immune system. Intrigued? Stay with us as we explore what happens to your body if you eat flax seeds every day. From enhancing brain health to supporting digestion, let's dive into the 12 incredible benefits of this wonder seed and learn how to consume them the right way. 1. Enhances immune function. Flax seeds are like tiny warriors for your immune system. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids like alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, they help reduce inflammation, a key factor in maintaining a strong immune response. Lignans, another vital component, act as antioxidants and phytoestrogens that regulate the immune system. Studies have shown flaxseed oil can improve immune cell activity and lower inflammation markers, boosting your body's ability to fight infections. 2. Improves brain health. Did you know your brain is nearly 60% fat? Omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds are essential for brain cell structure and communication. ALA is converted into EPA and DHA, supporting memory, reducing inflammation, and protecting against cognitive decline. Lignans also combat oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells. Research shows that consuming flaxseed oil may improve verbal fluency and keep your brain sharp as you age. 3. Supports kidney function. Flax seeds are rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s that protect the kidneys. Chronic kidney conditions and oxidative stress can cause significant damage, but the antioxidants in flax seeds neutralize harmful free radicals. Studies suggest flaxseed oil may even reduce cyst growth in polycystic kidney disease, offering long-term kidney protection. 4. Strengthens bone health. For stronger bones, flax seeds provide lignans, which mimic estrogen, a hormone crucial for bone density. This is particularly beneficial for postmenopausal women at risk of osteoporosis. Flax seeds also deliver calcium, a key mineral for bone strength. Research indicates that flaxseed oil can reduce bone resorption, promoting healthier bones. 5. Boosts digestive health. Flax seeds are loaded with dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance that stabilizes blood sugar and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Insoluble fiber aids bowel regularity, preventing constipation and bloating. These combined effects make flax seeds an excellent natural remedy for digestive health. 6. Reduces cancer risk. Flax seeds are associated with a lower risk of hormone-sensitive cancers like breast and prostate cancer. Lignans are converted by gut bacteria into compounds that regulate hormone levels, potentially inhibiting tumor growth. With their antioxidant properties, lignans also combat oxidative stress, protecting cellular DNA and reducing cancer risk. 7. Controls blood sugar. For those managing diabetes, flax seeds are a game changer. Soluble fiber slows digestion, preventing rapid sugar spikes. ALA further enhances insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Regular flaxseed intake has been linked to decreased blood sugar and improved metabolic health. 8. Aids in weight management. Struggling with weight? Flax seeds can help. Their high fiber content promotes fullness, reducing hunger pangs and calorie intake. Plus, the protein in flax seeds supports muscle repair and keeps you satisfied longer. Studies show that flaxseed supplementation leads to significant reductions in body weight, BMI, and belly fat. 9. Balances hormones. Flax seeds contain phytoestrogens that stabilize hormonal fluctuations. Whether you're dealing with menopause or polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, these compounds can alleviate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. Research highlights a notable decrease in testosterone levels among women with PCOS after consuming flax seeds, proving their hormonal balancing power. 10. Enhances skin health. Want glowing skin? Omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds nourish your skin by improving its barrier function, locking in moisture, and reducing dryness. Lignans act as antioxidants, fighting free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines. Regular consumption can improve hydration, smoothness, and skin texture. 11. Boosts mental function. Omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds enhance brain activity and improve mood. By supporting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, they combat depression and mental fatigue. Including flax seeds in your diet can sharpen cognitive abilities and promote overall mental well-being. 12. Protects heart health. Flax seeds are a heart's best friend. Their ALA content reduces inflammation, prevents plaque buildup, and lowers blood pressure. Lignans further balance cholesterol levels, reducing harmful LDL cholesterol while preserving beneficial HDL cholesterol. Studies confirm that flaxseed intake can significantly lower cardiovascular risks. How to add flax seeds to your diet? Incorporating flax seeds into your meals is easy. Sprinkle ground flax seeds into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Use them in baking recipes like muffins or energy bars. Remember, ground flax seeds are easier to digest than whole seeds, ensuring maximum nutrient absorption. A few tips. Start small. Gradually increase your intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Store properly. Keep flax seeds in an airtight container in the fridge to preserve freshness. Consult a doctor. Pregnant women should avoid flax seeds due to limited research on safety. Conclusion. Flax seeds are a tiny superfood with massive health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve heart health, balance hormones, or boost digestion, these seeds deliver. Add them to your diet today and enjoy the transformative effects on your body. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.